Okay, this is to address the inner workings of a hurricane, and this is a cross-section view of it. The wind will come in this way, and it'll then go up that way. Here's the structure right here, and I'm shooting fountains of water in a clockwise rotation to capture the eye. Notice that this is the only place where I am applying power. The hurricane acts just like a natural hurricane, and the power comes to it just as a natural hurricane does in nature. The sun is shooting down beams of light, and it's causing these clouds. Most of the rays from the sun are reflecting off the clouds, but it is absorbing sun, causing it to heat up and to rise up. Water vapor is a greenhouse gas, and it does capture the rays from the sun. When the water vapor goes to the top of the clouds and becomes ice crystals, it then becomes a reflective agent. Okay, and in here there's, the air's coming down here, the air's coming down here, going up there. You got your rain bands, and you got your winds coming in here. Now some people say that I have to have a thunderstorm in order to get this thing to start off as a hurricane. I can't just start a hurricane. But imagine this thunderstorm here. Here's the ocean, cloud raining down. And then I stick this hurricane machine in the middle of it and shoot water towards the middle. That's going to cause the air to start coming in this way. And it will also start a rotation. After that, rotation starts, then you shoot the fountains in at the same direction as the hurricane winds go because of the Coriolis effect, and you will have the eye wall start. Yes, I think the eye wall can be started without the full development of the hurricane. You can also imagine just this. I have my structure, put it off the coast of Hawaii, and have lava vents, have tubing funnel the hot water from the lava vents, and you can take lava vents anywhere, really, into the middle of the structure, causing that water to heat up to, let's say, 100 degrees, and then you would shoot that water inside. And yes, here's another picture of the structure, shooting that water inside. Just the fact of shooting it inside is going to cause an area of hot mist. The area of hot mist is going to have the sun beating down on it, which is going to start a convection cycle. You're then going to have the water rise up, and you're going to have water coming in here. And then after you start the convection cycle, you're going to have clouds start to develop off to the sides, and then another cross-section view, and you just have to have the fountains high enough and shoot the water out fast enough from the fountains, and have that done on both sides. and you're going to have the wind, this is showing the cross section, coming in past here. So you're controlling the eye wall. And you know, imagine doing this where a thunderstorm is actually forming off of Africa. Then you'll get the and placing the structure in the area where it's starting to rotate, in the low pressure area in the middle. And once you place that structure in the middle there where it's starting to rotate, you turn it on and you start this thing, you're going to get a hurricane under control. And you should be able to then drive the hurricane around the ocean to the places where you want to deposit the rain and have the clouds going over. And you also want to do the plankton blooming. And I hope that does it. If you have any more questions, let me know and I'll redo it or do another one.